you how to edit these Google Sheets. So it's different than the slides, whereas it's a table and there's formatting involved with the table. So let's start. I'm going to start with the first thing we do in the morning, 8:55. Oops, sorry. 8:55 to 9:15. My students are going to unpack and morning job. Okay, and then we're gonna objectives. Students will unpack and start a morning job. Okay, and then I've got my evaluation. So it's gonna be teacher observation, and I can also click student demonstration. If you wanna change it, you can change it over here and edit these. If you want to get rid of the evaluation part, just go click this little arrow up here, and then you're gonna do drop down, and then you can just remove rule, and it'll take that whole column away if you don't want that rule there. I just thought it would be easier to do your evaluations. So if I have it like this, I'm going to take it, I'm gonna highlight just the first three. You can't highlight the evaluation part. And I'm going to paste it going through for the week. So this is how you would set it up for the year. So like once you have it done, it won't be as much work. Paste it, and then you go through and you change your evaluations. I'm not going to bore you with doing that. Then I want to skip a line. I want to do 9:15 to 9 let's say 50. We'll say morning meeting, and then you can say what you're doing in morning meeting. Students will participate in a morning meeting, read aloud, spiral review, and social emotional check-in. There we got it. And then I'm going to do my evaluations again: observation, oral response, teacher questions, student demonstration, participation. Okay, and I've got it all there. And now again, I would highlight this, copy it, and paste it. So once I've got my plan done for the whole schedule, I can also go in here if I want to make this all one white, so it's like a nice white block. And you see this little up here, merge cells. You click it and just do merge all, and it makes you a nice little block there to show like the difference between it. You could delete this, remove rule right there. So I just removed it from that one spot, so I don't have it there. So you can work, and I have it so you can add as much as you want to it. Again, if you want to remove the rule at the bottom, just go highlight it, and then do a little, just highlight these. And let's see, remove all, and you can just get rid of them. Okay, oh, I got rid of them all. Sorry. But look, there's this undo arrow, so you won't mess it all up. So I think you actually have to do it kind of highlighting it. Let's see. And let's see, you can delete. So if you want to just delete that row, there you go, now it's gone. You gotta just mess around with it a little bit. Now, once you have it set up, the cool thing about this is that you can have it down here and you can rename it. So this would be, I think I have this set as 9/1. 9/1 is the date, or you want to do September 1st, whatever works for you. Okay, so that's September 1st plans. Now, I want to duplicate this whole page, and everything will be there that I saved already. I'm going to hit duplicate, and now we've got a copy, and we're on the copy, and we just rename it, edit it, and just keep going throughout the whole year. I mean, I would honestly suggest you make a copy of the original, and I would keep it by month, so it's just the tabs don't get too tiny, and it would be easier, and keep it all in one folder. But this is just another version of my plan book. This would be difficult to print on one page, so if you're looking to print something on one page, go back to the slides one. This one's a little easier because the text will fit in the box. You don't have to mess around with that. So I hope you enjoy this. Remember, when you leave feedback, to leave it for teacher use only, not student use, because otherwise it ends up getting less stars. All right, thank you.